Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Jhuxtelloitech, your go-to channel for all things education and technology. I'm your host, Jay, and today we have some exciting news for all our viewers, especially the students gearing up for the Basic Education Certificate Examination, BECE, in 2024. So, let's dive right in. I'm thrilled to share with you that WAEC and GES have officially announced some significant changes to the 2024 BECE. These changes are bound to have a substantial impact on the examination experience for students across West Africa. The major overhaul is in the subject papers, with some subjects undergoing transformation. First off, let's talk about the new and reformed subject papers. ICT has evolved into computing, and BDT has transformed into career technology. Let's take a closer look at all the changes in store for you. Core subjects like English language, social studies, religious and moral education, mathematics, science, career technology, creative art and design, and computing will be tested. While optional subjects include French, Arabic, and Ghanaian language, across 11 languages. Now, here's a twist. This year's BECE will be written a bit earlier than usual. In 2023, the exam was held in August, but mark your calendars because the 2024 BECE is scheduled for July. Yes, you heard it right. The examination will kick off on Monday the 8th of July 2024, and wrap up on Friday the 12th of July 2024. So, make sure you're well prepared for this earlier time frame. The BECE is not just an ordinary exam. It's a crucial milestone for students in West Africa, including Ghana. Administered by WAEC, it assesses students completing their basic education, typically at the junior secondary level. The subjects cover a wide range, from English language and mathematics to career technology and computing. Preparation for the BECE is no joke. Students spend years revising materials, and mock exams are conducted to help them get acquainted with the format and timing. The results, as you know, determine placement into senior high schools and other educational pathways. So, there you have it, folks. The 2024 BECE is not just an exam, it's an educational journey that sets the stage for future opportunities. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tips on education and technology. I'm Jay, signing off from Jhuxtelloitech. Until next time, happy studying.